Welcome to this video showcasing the work of WildSL6, funded by the Frimley Health and Care Children, Young Persons and Families Innovation Fund.
So I'm Kim, I'm a volunteer for WildSL6 and we are a youth-led nature group in the SL6 area. The project was sort of after lockdown. We knew that lots of young people were struggling with their well-being, being stuck inside all the time. So we'd reached out to First Plat School about having a wildflower meadow project to sort of help create richer biodiversity in this area is something that lots of the local groups like Wild Cookham and Wild Maidenhead are hoping to do, and we noticed there weren't many younger people involved in that, so that was sort of the starting of a youth-led group. Well, we thought it was really important, like basing it on well-being. Obviously the Innovation Fund is from Frimley Health, so we know that mental health is important as is physical health, and that was something we wanted to spread throughout the community. There's lots of pressures on young people. There's obviously the grades, there's also the climate crisis that people might be worried about, and this is one way that they could help with that by doing things at a ground level and using their skills to then further the ecosystems that we have here. The benefits of a wildflower meadow are community benefits, so the well-being that people get when they walk through them, and then tranquility of the birds and the bees. There's also social benefits in terms of people in this project would have been working together and doing things as a community, which is nice. There's also ecological benefits, obviously, which is what WildSL6 focus on. So you've got the birds and the bees pollinating the plants, which is a great basis for a good ecosystem. We had children from year 7 up to sixth form actually, so we had about 11-year-olds to 18-year-olds, which was great, and the older students sort of took a bit more of a lead in helping the younger kids with what to do. They said that they'd really enjoyed it, and we did have one little girl that was a really keen gardener, and she was very excited to do a wildflower meadow for the first time, and she was hoping to bring that home with her as well. They all seemed to relax into it. At first they were a bit nervous, but then as we went through it they were understanding more. They just seemed really relaxed and happy, which is exactly what we wanted.